We're going to talk about number 3 in the example. It's negative 3 times 2 to the x minus 1, all plus 2. So we're going to go through that and kind of just detail out exactly what happens to graph that. The first thing you want to do is make an xy table. These are the x's that I chose. Piece of cake. This is not my handwriting. Negative 1, or negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Those are great places to start on any graph. For the most part, unless you have like a plus 10 or a minus 17 on one of your x's and like on one of your places, then it's a good place to stay. If you've got like plus 5 or minus 5 or minus 6, then you might have to plug in some different values. Okay? But this is a great place to start. So what we can do is we can plug them in and we can work out these values. Okay? I plugged them in. Now this is number 3. This is your negative 3 times 2 to the x minus 1. We'll go ahead and write that in over here. That's negative 3 times 2 to the x minus 1 plus 2. And so you can draw this out. What? It will at the end. What? It was drawn earlier. I was just playing it back.
Okay, Mr. Wig, I think I got it.
So your graph should look like this, the third one. Look at it. I plotted my points. The very first thing that you should have plotted. Shh. You're recording on this. You're messing it up. Okay? Asymptote. Put your asymptote in. You want to make sure that you don't break that. The second thing we do, we start plotting our points. I need to make sure that one of my points is the y-intercept. Maybe later we'll add the x-intercept. Not today. I plot at least 3, probably 5 points. Okay? If you know the shape of the graph, I mean, you can get away with graphing 2 points, really. Okay? The asymptote, the intercept, and one additional point. I think you need a couple more just to be safe. So anywhere between 3 and 5 points is what I expect of you. More is fine, less is not. Graph it, and you got your points here. This is including, you got a reflection, you've got a horizontal shift and a vertical shift, which changed your your horizontal asymptote. Make sure that you go back in and you double check those things. Questions?